Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide how to assemble the XL 100 litre heavy duty wheelbarrow. So let's get into it. To assemble this wheelbarrow, it requires a 13 and a 17 number spanner and also a posi or a flathead screwdriver. So guys, before I start, let me show you exactly what it comes with. 100 litre tray, steel frame, one wheel, a fixing for the wheel, the support bar, two arms, and these are the fixings for the tray and the frame. First step guys is to slide the arm into the frame and align them with the holes simply like this. So guys, make sure do not put the arm into these holes here. They're supposed to slide in to here where you align the holes together. Now I'm going to insert the second arm. Now that the arm's inserted, it's time to put the tray on top of it and screw them in. So align the three holes with the arm, the frame, and then the tray. So take the screw and then put the rubber onto the bottom. So do the same for all four screws. So guys, as you can see, the tray and the frame are fully locked in with the four screws which I've screwed on. However, there is still one more to put in, which is this one here. But you need to pull this support bar fully up, like that. So guys, the tray is fully locked in. However, it's time now to lock the wheel with this fixing there, which I'm going to show you now. To assemble the wheel, I've got my fixings here. Put the XL through here, and then the two caps on both sides, like that. Now, slide the wheel onto the frame, simply like this. Once the wheel is aligned, take the bolt and the washer and simply put them in like this and align them. Also guys, the wheel is adjustable, so you can put it in this side or that side. So guys, as you can see, the wheel is fully aligned. Last step is now the back support bar, which I'm going to put in. I'll show you now. So guys, as you can see, job done. The wheelbarrow is ready to use. So any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below.